Wagwan YouTube is the boy but the man. Sorry for that. I'm sure that was kind of disgusting for you guys. So I know I'm supposed to post day 10 Mara, like it's day 10. I mixed it with this other video and the video needs editing. I need to edit that video so I can post it. But today there's a crisis at the house. I think there's an active beehive in our chimney.
I guess I'm afraid.
We thought we got rid of them. We thought. As I speak, there's a tire burning here to stop the bees from going inside the chimney, but it's not working. Right now, I'm cutting a piece of tire so we can burn again in the house. My guy, when will this end, man? As I was saying, I got cut. I got burned. Here, right here. I had forgotten that sanitizer is flammable. I'm sure you're asking how? How did you forget? I don't know, my nigga. I was burning a bottle of sanitizer. It exploded in my hand. I swear I can't make these things out. Okay, so I don't lie. It didn't explode, but like, it went like. I was like, oh. It went like. I'm sure I had that lighter here. I had that lighter here. Here. See here how it's shiny. See that part? Burn. Like. So yeah.